My name is Jeffrey Comitalo. I'm general surgeon at HCA Florida West Hospital. I've worked here for 27 years. So my specialty is general surgery. So what that means is we treat a variety of problems. It could be from what's called some endocrine surgery, which would be thyroid and parathyroid surgery, breast surgery, both cancer and non-cancer problems with the breast. And then another big focus is hernias, both groin hernias, abdominal wall hernias. When I see patients in the office, I never try to talk to them in professional terms. I talk to somebody as if they know nothing about, medicine. Patients are putting trust in us to operate on them. It's a big decision. Never having met me, they have to make a decision typically that day to undergo a procedure. So it's one thing to have all the certificates, but it's another thing that they have to trust you, that you know what you're doing. So one of my hobbies is building scale model ships. And often patients will come to my office and see these ships and see the attention to detail and tell me, well, if you can build those, I have confidence that you can operate on me. Attention to detail certainly carries over to my surgical practice as well, in how I treat patients and how I operate on patients. The attention to detail is extremely important no matter what kind of operation you're doing, whether large or small. I have 35 years of experience since I finished my training in 1990. So even though I have a large amount of experience, every case and every patient is different. I never take a patient or their disease as a routine. To me, there's no such thing as a routine operation. The most important thing for me is getting a patient through an operation, dealing with the problem with no complication, and getting them back to their normal functional status.